Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in your car's Ford Fusion AC system. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. Next, you'll need to locate the low-pressure service port, which is typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. Make sure your car is running with the air conditioning set to its maximum cold and fan speed. Once you've found the port, firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can to it. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Before you start, give the refrigerant can a good shake. Hold the can upright as you connect it, ensuring a tight seal to avoid any refrigerant escaping into the atmosphere. Now gently press the trigger on the can to release the refrigerant into the system. Do this in short, 5 to 10-second bursts, checking the pressure gauge in between. The gauge will show you the current pressure, helping you avoid overfilling. Aim for the recommended pressure range, usually indicated on the gauge itself, to ensure efficient cooling. After adding refrigerant, check the air coming from your vents. It should feel noticeably colder. Once you're satisfied, quickly disconnect the hose from the low-pressure port. You might hear a small hiss, which is normal. Remember to properly store any unused refrigerant in a cool, dry place, and always dispose of empty cans responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.